Okay, awesome. My name is Rishi and I'm the co-founder of Digital Scholar. And today on my talk show, we have Krishna and Diksha who have been doing amazing in the field of digital marketing. So welcome to the show, Krishna and Diksha. How have you been, guys?
Thank you so
So
much,
we are
sir,
good,
for
sir.
giving opportunity to talk with you. And
Thank
it's a pleasure to talk with you.
thank
And
you.
it's
Thank you so much, Krishna. Thank you so much, Diksha. And before we even begin, I just want to know what do you guys do and do you work together and what's been going on?
Sure, sir. So, like, we are social media marketers and we help entrepreneurs to build their Instagram profile and grow their business through like online business. So, we are helping them to build their profile from very scratch and on Instagram, how they can just get the leads done from the Instagram basically. So, we work together and like we are working from last few months together like after attending your session, so we met there and we started our work from like zero from there.
Wow. Okay. And I believe Krishna is the designer because on his t-shirt it says anybody can design. Right?
yes,
Am
sir.
I
I'm a
right?
Canva designer.
True. You
He's
Yeah,
a
guessed it
Canva
right,
designer.
sir.
Awesome.
yeah.
So he's a Canva designer. You are the expert who implements. And I think you guys have an amazing team together. So yeah, congratulations on starting your own journey with respect to social media marketing. And of course, we'll discuss about how you are acquiring clients and what are the kinds of clientele you have. But before that, what was the skills that you possessed before joining Digital Scholar? And what was the major challenges that you wanted to overcome? What was that one limiting belief you had and you wanted to overcome that so that you can go out and get the best of the best clients out here?
So before joining your program, sir, I was doing my competitive exam preparation in the pandemic. It was all stopped. So I thought, let's move something different way and start something different. So I attended Saurav sir's webinar and I joined Digital Trainers Festival. Then I learned so many skills. I found my skill as a designer. I did my mechanical engineer, so I'm good at designing. So in the training session, I met with Diksha, and we started together providing services at how to grow their social media channels with the designing of branding and everything.
Right. Awesome. And what about you, Diksha? What was the limiting belief? Where were you stuck? And of course, you can talk about your educational background also. How I believe you did MBA and then you didn't want to go ahead doing the typical
Right, sir.
job field and you wanted to quit that. So what was the motivation behind all of that?
So, sir, I just completed my like MBA last year only, and I was like passionate about digital marketing from long. So I was following Saurabh sir since very long, like 2 years back. But I was not, I was stuck at how to start a career in digital marketing. So I thought to join several courses and all, but I came to know that these are not of that use because you need to have some practical skills and you need to just initiate from somewhere. So then I just got a mail from Saurav sir that this session, the training festival is going on and you can join. So I thought that yes, I should join, and then I took the initiative to join the festival, and that was a game changer for me because from there I got the purpose, like how I can change, like how I can just grow in the field. So I was knowing all the things, like I was aware of social media marketing and Instagram marketing, but I was stuck where to get clients from, like how I can get clients. Then sir shared about the testimonials on the festival day too, I think. And those testimonials were like, I thought that if they can do so, I can also do. Then I met Krishna and we just collaborated and started doing, like we did give like second thought that ab karna chahiye ya nahi. We just started our work and then we got some good clients and now we are like growing together.
Awesome. Okay, so before you didn't even have a purpose, and of course you joined Digital Scholar, and you basically got the purpose of getting clients and going forward, which is
Right.
amazing. So, what is your expertise? What is the expertise in social media marketing? And if you want to, tell to people what are you really good at and what are you doing with your current clients as such.
So I'm a graphic designer. I do social media for brand design and everything, and we provide services for startups and businesses too. We provide 30 different content ideas, and with graphics and everything, we provide them all Instagram package. Within a few couple of days, we create based on their brand niche,
Wow.
and so that they can use their ideas without wasting so many time to find out what should they post on social media, and wasting on timing to create graphics and all. We create a bunch of graphics designing, and we combined as a package, and we provide services of digital marketing in that.
Wow. So basically, it's a tailor-made services for the startups, especially catering to Instagram, right? So you guys are creating the content for
Right.
them, you are developing the graphics, and you are basically taking care of the entire strategy so that the Instagram can grow from scratch. Is that right?
Yes.
Yes, sir. And we give bonus also. So the bonus is like add-on, like they can get a package in which they will be getting all festivals graphics. So throughout, like for a year, they will get the whole festivals graphics and content ready, and they can just post it right away.
Wow. And you do
And
customize that,
also,
or
like
there are
we provide them
templates?
the planner.
So do you
Yes, so we
customize?
have two categories. So first one is basic.
Okay.
Yeah, so first one is basic, which is like general for all the businesses. And if they want customized, so we work on their brand colors, and like whatever they want, the colors will be like it will be fully customized. And we work for their research. We do competitive research also, and then the hashtag research. So everything is customized there. So we have two types of packages.
Wow. Okay. And where did you get this idea from? Customizing all of things and creating separate packages. So what was the problem that you saw in the market and you wanted to basically, of course, you would have seen some problem and that's why the solution has come into picture and of course working for you guys. So what was the problem that you seen and how are you solving?
So, sir, I myself was handling few projects before, during my MBA days only. So I was working on some projects on social media itself. So I was very means stuck between, like every day I need to just put on some graphics, and that was very time consuming. So I thought that why not to just create a database and like a calendar for a month before. And there I thought that yes, we can do this. And then like when we get customers, so they asked that we don't need this basic one, we need customized. So can you like build a different calendar for us especially? Then it came like, yeah, now we can start the customization also.
Right. I think this field is amazing of creating templates for people. Yeah, a lot of people actually miss out on doing this, that a lot of people create courses, a lot of people, give out a lot of content. But then I believe the magic happens where you can give templates to people and they can just go and implement and do things. I think that is really powerful and what you guys doing are pretty awesome. Okay. One important question: what is the kind of revenue you're generating every month that you can share with the people here? So what is the kind of revenue? You don't have to tell your client's name or anything, but then just the kind of revenue that you're making as a team.
30 to 40,000 per month we are getting from projects on social media calendar.
Awesome.
I would like to mention here, sir, I learned sales page and sales funnel from you, and that was very impressing that day. You shared how to create landing pages and what should we create content on landing page. That was game changing for our project. So yeah,
Yeah, we started through our landing pages only. So we promoted our landing pages, and from there we got our clients converted basically.
Wow. Okay, that's amazing. I think yeah, landing page is one of the factors. I think everybody should have a portfolio page or a landing page where they can see the kind of work you've been doing and things convert from there on so easily as such, right? Pretty awesome. 40K per month. You guys are making sitting from your home and doing what you love, right? And I know this is the beginning for you guys, right? This is just the
Yeah.
start. I'm sure you guys are going to be cracking some big numbers down the line as well. Yeah. So,
Sure.
yeah. So, Diksha and Krishna, what do you want to tell to people who wants to join the training programs with us? One final word that you would like to tell to people, whoever wants to join any of the programs that we have.
So I would say that it is really worth it. So it's awesome. And as Saurabh sir said, and don't give a second thought. Just join it, and then you will learn. Like, yeah, your decision was very right. So don't think. Just join.
Awesome. And what about you, Krishna?
So if you want to grow and if you want to start your career in digital marketing, then you should go for Sir's and Rishi Sir's clubs. That's I
Awesome.
wanted to say.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Krishna and Diksha. I'm pretty sure this is pretty inspiring for a lot of people, a lot of youngsters who actually dream of starting something of their own. So you guys are inspiration to them. And I'm sure you will be doing some amazing work down the line. And we're going to be keeping in touch as well in different ways. So thank you so much for doing this interview with me. And I'm just signing off and take care, you guys. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir, for this opportunity. Thank you.
Bye bye.